Hey there, it's Ben from Pattern Profits, bringing you a few setups into Thursday, December 9th, starting with Churchill down, CHDN. We have a VWAP pinch setup, anchored VWAP from off of the high, anchored VWAP here from off of the low, acted as support here, was acting as resistance back here, but was able to push through today right up against 5065 cloud. The volume shelf is also right there. As it came in through, you got a couple pocket pivots there up the right side, including today. So just looking for continuation upside here over today's high. That was 238.60 above there. Looking for that run back to 262.20. Don't forget, this is part of a much bigger cup with handle pattern. We also saw heavy call flow into LVS, MGM, Caesar. So kind of fits the theme there. Again, this is CHDN Churchill down. I also have TTD, the trade desk. This one, power earnings gap back here, anchored VWAP attached, bullish outside today reclaims that anchored VWAP off of the power earnings gap. Let me bring my volume by price over. You'll see that just below yesterday and today, you have the volume shelf and point of control right there. Looking for upside continuation here. That bullish outside day would reclaim 1020 cloud. Initially can use these levels with the volume shelf point of control to manage risk. Once it makes the turn, starts to come through there, would like to see 1020 cloud turn up, turn green, and provide support on the pullbacks. Could then use that to manage risk. Keep in mind, prior high up here is 114.09, so do want to see it push through there without rolling back over. Again, this is the trade desk TTD. I also have Micron MU. And with this one, we've discussed it before. We were looking at that alternate pivot at 85.75 and closed above there today. 85.75 closed at 86.03 today, part of a much larger pattern. Now the standard pivot here, the IBD crowd is going to be watching 89.05 here. I still like that 85.75 pivot. You see a bit of a volume shelf has now formed there. So continuation upside, here's what we're looking for. 1020 cloud has now caught up to price as well. And then we saw heavy call flow January and February, the 90, 92 and a half. We highlighted those over the last couple weeks. So you get through this level, I think you get a good shot at a march back towards the prior high, 96. This group has been red hot as well. Semiconductors looking good. So again, just looking for continuation upside here. We've had a couple closes above this 85.75 pivot, wasn't able to hold. If we get some continuation upside here, this would be the one that we want to see stick and then let the crowd take us higher through 89.05. That's all I have into tomorrow. Hope you have a great trading day, and I'll see you again tomorrow night.